Hello friends, next case study in MS Excel is employee salary sheet. This question is asked in 2014 as well as 2018 question paper for 15 marks. The question is, write the steps to prepare employee salary sheet with the following fields: employee ID, name, designation, basic, DA, HRA, total, TA, gross, PF, income tax and net salary. These are all the field names, column names. Enter at least 10 records. See here, first you have to draw this table. Okay, draw this table. Okay, so you can this make it center by clicking merge and center. First select the cells, then press merge and center, then it display at the center of the table. Okay, next, so after drawing this, after displaying this table, okay, you have to calculate DA, T, HRA, TA, all those things. See here, DA is how much? 40%. HRA is how much? 10% of basic salary. TA is 10% of basic salary. Okay, first calculate DA, HRA and TA. Okay, DA is 40% equal to, the formula is basic salary into 40%. Basic salary address is what? D3. So equal to D3 into 40%. Then enter. Clear, no? Okay. Then drag to the remaining cells. Okay. Then automatically calculates, okay, DA of all the employees. Then HRA is 10%. Equal to, the formula is basic salary. Basic salary is D3 into 10%. Into 10%. D3, this is the address of basic salary, D3. D3 into 10%. Then press enter. Then drag. Similarly, TA also. TA is 10%. So D3 into 10%. Okay, then you drag it. Okay, what is gross salary? You have to add all basic, DA, HRA and TA. Okay, add all, you get gross salary. Okay, you can either use sum function or you can calculate using this formula. D3, okay, basic salary plus DA, E3 plus HRA, F3 plus G3. Okay, this is the formula to find gross salary. Okay, then you drag it. Clear, no? Okay, next income tax. Income tax, the condition is, okay, if the gross salary is less than 5 lakh, no income tax. If gross salary is between 5 lakh and 10 lakh, then 5%. 5% income tax. If it is more than 10 lakh, 10% income tax. Okay. See here, the formula is equal to, if the gross salary address is what? H3. H3 is more than 10 lakh. Okay. Then the 10% of gross salary. H3 into 10%. Comma. Okay. If it is more than 5 lakh, between 10 lakh. Okay. If H3 more than 5 lakh, then comma H3 into 5%. Okay, if it is less than 5 lakh, then nil. Okay, it's not necessary to check the condition. Okay, last condition is less than 5 lakh, then it is 0. So how many brackets you have to close? 2 brackets you have to close. So 2 if statements, so 2 brackets you have to close. Then enter. So it is 48,000 is the income tax. Then drag. Then PF 4% of gross salary. So gross salary is what the address is? H3 into 4%. Then 8%, no? See the question, 8% of the gross salary. So 8% equal to H3 into 8%. Then enter. Clear, no? Then just drag it to the down direction. Then net salary is gross salary minus income tax minus PF equal to H3 minus I3 minus J3. This is the formula. Okay, then you drag it. Okay, next total salary. How to find total net salary using the sum function. Okay, click on sum function, auto sum function, then you drag it, then press enter. Then average, using function average, you can calculate average net salary. Then select and drag it. Then maximum, using max function, just drag it. Then min function, using min function, select and drag it. Clear, no? Okay. See, if you want, you can take snapshot. First DA is 40% of basic salary, HRA 10%, TA 10% of the basic salary, D3 means basic salary. Next gross salary, addition of sum of basic salary, DA, HRA and TA. Okay. Next, how to find income tax? If H3 means gross salary. If it is more than 10 lakh, 10% of gross salary. Income tax is 10%. If it is more than 5 lakh, it is 5% income tax. If it is less than 5 lakh, 0%. Next, PF is 4% of gross salary. Next, how to find net salary? Okay, gross salary minus PF minus income tax. Clear, no? Then to find total salary, sum of K3 to K12. Then average salary, K3 to K12. Then maximum salary, max of K3 to K12. Min is K3 to K12. Clear, no? Okay. Okay, in exam we have to write only this much only. Okay, don't write all those things. Okay, you have to write this one, then you have to write the formula. Okay, if you want, you can take snapshot. Okay, after this table you have to write these formulas. Clear, no? This is DA, HRA and TA. Next, gross salary, D3 plus E3 plus F3 plus G3. Then income tax, then PF. Okay, after that net salary. How to find net salary? Gross salary minus income tax minus PF. Then find total salary, then average salary, then max, then min. Max of K3 to K12, min of K3 to K12. Clear, no? Okay, thank you.